we are going to be shooting 4K 4.3 Rocksteady ultra wide. Reason why, I've been really getting into wide lenses. You guys seen me shoot on the fisheye kind of hack that I have with this boost lens. We're gonna get some POV shots. Sony G Master 14mm 1.8. I will do the large cookie butter latte with almond milk.
What's the ice or hot?
Hot, yeah. And then can I do what is it? Can I do the bagel on the jalapeno cheese bagel, or the sandwich on the jalapeno cheese?
For here, brother?
For here, yep. Okay.
You a photographer today?
Yeah, I'm just taking it out. I do photography on the side.
Okay.
So I've been vlogging too. So I'm vlogging. So you're on my vlog right now.
There you go,
I just edited one where from Daniel's last week's service. So I have a little clip of him in there.
On YouTube?
What's that?
Where's it on? YouTube?
It's on YouTube. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, YouTube under my my first and middle name, Julian Roland.
Roland?
Yeah.
I'm gonna check it out, bro.
Yeah, definitely, bro. It's fun. It's like this little community I got a part of with like these little action cameras.
Okay.
But I do photography on the side, so I'm like, I got rented this like super wide angle lens, so I'm just testing that out. What? Yeah.
Oh, so then maybe can you do my signature pose?
Okay.
I see them. My signature pose is like this. That's probably
I've been drinking a lot of water. I drink more water here than I do.
so yesterday. Yeah. So
I guess because I don't trust that water. That's what it is.
We got the cookie butter latte. That's always the go-to here at Grove. And then we got the breakfast sandwich on a jalapeno cheddar bun, nice and toasted. Also the go-to.
And we got the sweet cold foam espresso with an extra shot. So good.
I'm better than I deserve.
I love your shirt.
I've been thinking of you guys from this past.
How you doing?
Thank you, man. Can I get you guys anything?
Oh, we're good.
Sure. I just finished running through my sermon.
Yeah.
Got some work to do, but it's good.
For the Christmas Eve? Okay, cool.
God bless you. Well,
Good.
you sure you don't need
That's
No, we're good, man. Thank you. I kind of want to have them, I kind of want to give one of them my camera to make a coffee so I can get that point of view.
No, I think
They allow you back there?
No, I don't want to go back there. I would give them like my little lanyard. Okay, we're gonna have one of the baristas make a coffee. I'm gonna give them my lanyard, and they're gonna have their POV making the latte. And then we're gonna give them this content as well. So if it's right here, wherever it's at, you could do it, and you could actually adjust it. So if you feel like that's a good angle where you're making the coffee, and then I can watch it from right here.
Like this, like hanging over the machine.
Is it magnetic? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can
Just
do
so I
that
can
too.
see what I'm
Yeah.
doing. Can you see?
That's great.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
It needs to see what I'm doing. Can it see?
Yeah, you could do it like that. Yep, perfect. Yeah.
Should I bite it?
You can handle it with one hand. Go
Okay.
ahead. You're doing great. This looks really good. That's a great shot.
Okay. Now I need to pour. Where should I put it?
You gotta do what?
Where should I put it if I want to pour?
Okay, so right here.
Can you see from here? Oh, that's good. Look at that.
Yeah, that's dope, right?
Yeah.
sure I'm
Does it
still
look good?
recording. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, it stopped. It's black.
Oh, that's okay. It's still recording.
Okay.
Might just this screen turned off a little bit.
It's a lot of lavender. Okay. All done.
Cool. And then what I'll do is, yeah, go ahead. Yeah. And then you can pull it down, do a cool little thing. Yeah. That's awesome.
Good.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Put it down.
I got to
Good.
Yeah, it's like one of those where perfect.
Awesome.
Enjoy.
Huh? No. All right, let's go.
That's a lot of pictures. How come I never see any of those pictures?
All right, right now we're rocking auto colors and the sky is super blue. Everything looks beautiful. I love auto settings on this as well. So we're out here with the Sony 14mm G Master Lens 1.8. Hey Mickey, you're so fine, you blow my mind, Mickey.
Hey, that's a movie,
Hey
isn't
Mickey,
it?
hey Mickey.
I want a movie that
Hey
played that
Mickey,
song.
you're so fine, you blow my
It was
mind, Mickey.
comedians.
Hey
I
Mickey.
don't remember that. It came out nice.
I love a good wide angle lens. You can get so close to your subject with this thing. And it's funny because everybody keeps backing up and I'm like, don't back up. I'm still pretty wide. I still can get, even if I did this, it'd get the whole thing. I love the look of it too. And this Sony A7 IV, great investment. You guys,
One double cheese.
You want right now?
no.
No.
No, right now?
Well,
For
right
him?
here.
I mean, yeah, but you have to go around, innit?
That's okay. You just gotta tell me now.
Yeah, go ahead.
Getting a pedicure.
Yes,
You know, you got to keep those feet fresh when you're moving around with these action cameras.
Hey.
How you liking it?
Oh, we love it, man. This takes a lot of anxiety off of you when you get your feet done. In my case, I need to be doing this once a month. We never get to do this because we're always busy with other things, but it's been a nice, relaxing time. Beautiful.
All right, so we're out here right now in the backyard with the Sony A7 IV and the 14mm 1.8 G Master lens. Very nice wide angle. So we're gonna take some photography of the pups. Leo. Hey. I'm actually loving how these are turning out right now. So I'm loving how these photos are turning out. I'm at 16 aperture right now and 400 shutter speed, f16, 800 ISO. These little lenses allow you to be way more creative. I can get very low to the ground shots and everything is still pretty wide. We're heading back to pick them up. I don't know how much time they have left, but I've been playing around with this 14mm lens. It's fun. I love wide angle. I feel like with the A7 IV, you can even crop in because of the megapixels. Like the picture is so much more clear than what I usually shoot on my A7S III because the resolution on there is just a little bit lower. But with the A7 IV, man, it allows you to crop in, still have a really nice clear photo, especially if you're shooting it wide. So that's something that I'm really loving about this, and just the fact that like you are so like creatively challenged in a good way. I mean, you could get shots that like are just not traditional framing and it's still gonna look so good. You obviously have to lock in your exposure settings and all of that, but honestly, I really think people should play around with wide angle lenses a lot more. I know that's in right now for photography, but I'm just like dreaming up all of the different shots that I can get. We're on the Sony A7 IV. I'm excited to see how this footage turns out, especially with this wide lens. And I actually really like it because I am like literally on the steering wheel right now with this thing, and my nose, my hat, my brim is touching the lens right now, and it's still giving a lot of space around the face. So very cool wide lens. This is only 14mm as well. I think this is the type of lens that you need in your kit if you're doing photography or even video vlogging, anything like that. You really do need a wide angle lens, and I would love to get this Sony, but it's about $1,400, I think, 14 to 1,600 bucks. The Lawa is a lot more affordable. Real quick, let's talk about my favorite accessory with the Nano. So you can see it right here. I need to start using that hat clip because this chest footage is nice, but I feel like the hat will give it a lot more versatility. Oops, we're recording. I'll try to get my thumbnail. People are looking at what I'm doing. Also, this is really hard, I'm not gonna lie. Trying to vlog with multiple cameras, especially when you're doing it with like a big full size camera, and then the Nano is a lot. I've done some vlogs with my Sony a7S III and the Action 5, and it's just, man, like there's so much moving around. I think these are the times where it really gets you sometimes out of the moment, but I really want to test out this lens and this camera and just play around with it and, you know, try something new in a vlog. But been using the Nano, so a lot of my POV footage is going to be coming from this.